Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to revise an essay from your grammar fair copy. So let's start. Healthy food. Food is very important in our daily life. We can't live without eating food for a single day. Healthy food is very necessary for our body. Healthy food contains all the elements that our body needs, like vitamins, protein, fats, carbohydrates, etc. Healthy food gives us strength and energy to do work, play, and think. Dear student, your homework is memorize these lines and also do dictation of difficult words like important, daily life, eating, single, necessary, body, contains, elements, needs, vitamins, protein, fats, carbohydrates, healthy, strength, energy, work, play, and think. Send your memorization work and dictation work in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.